that like half of this room, you need work on this. There's another thing that's happening that at Blackbelt will, I mean, this is another one of those things that like you're not gonna pass. If you are super lackadaisical with the line of fire once it's in your control, like we can't pass that. Like if I end up here, boom, and I get the gun and I'm doing weird shit like this and line of fire's all over the place, like we can't. That's not passable at this level. Okay, the odds of that gun discharging are infinitesimal, but it's a choice you're making, right? You're making the choice to strike like this or like this instead of striking like this, right? Like you go lift weights, you make a choice whether to re-rack that shit back right or not, right? If you are picking the weights up, putting them on the pegs, and you're choosing to put them on the wrong fucking pegs, that's a choice. You're an asshole. Okay? Seriously, like it's not that fucking hard. Like you made the effort to carry it over there. Anyway,
back of the gun, right?
I want to hit him with this.
Hit him with the front of the gun.
If it discharges, I want it to discharge into his face. Not over there, not over there, not into me. Okay? So if I'm going, and even if I'm not hitting with it, I still want the bad part pointing at the bad guy. Right? So even if I'm here and I make the disarm, I make the takeaway here, and I choose not to hit him with it, line of fire still stays downrange. Downrange meaning towards the bad guy. Okay? Not out here in space. And whether you end up on the inside or the outside here, if I'm on the outside, I make the redirection to the outside and I get my takeaway. This is just a hammer fist.
Yep.
This is a reinforced hammer fist. Like you have to make an effort to hit them with the magazine. If I'm on the inside here, same. This is just a hammer fist. This is a reinforced hammer fist. If I do this, is it possible that my finger ends up in the trigger guard during this whole mess? Yes. Is it possible that his finger wasn't in the trigger guard when I go to make a disarm? Yes. Honestly, if I notice his finger's not in the trigger guard, that's probably when I'm going to try to make my defense. So if I get to here and his finger wasn't in the trigger guard and I do this and I go to hit him like that and my finger is in the trigger guard, that round's probably going off somewhere. Black Belt weekend, you're going to do this shit over and over and over again. You're going to be, by the time we get the guns, you're going to be so fucking tired and exhausted and pissed at me and like, and all of these little things are going to matter. So if with no stress, no pressure, very low intensity right now, you're doing stuff like this, then for sure when it's high stress, high adrenaline, high cortisol levels. People are yelling at you, screaming at you, pushing you, snapping you down. You don't know who's coming from where. I promise you're not going to have good muzzle discipline then. Okay? It needs to happen here and now. It's like your mitt work, your pad work. If you're developing really shitty pad work habits, that stuff's going to transfer to your sparring.
Yeah.
Okay? Questions?